उधर अमेरिकी इंटेलिजेंस रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक भारत और पाकिस्तान के दरमियान कशीदगी तशवीश का बायस है, क्योंकि दोनों ममालिक जौहरी हथियारों से लैस हैं। दोनों ममालिक 2021 के अवाइल में लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के दोनों जानिब जंगबंदी की तजदीद के बाद अमन और ताल्लुकात को मजबूत बनाने के ख्वाह हैं। यह बात काबिल जिक्र है कि पाकिस्तान के दहशतगर्द ग्रुपों की हिमायत की एक तवील तारीख है। कश्मीर में बदअमनी हो या दहशतगर्दाना हमले, दोनों तरफ से कशीदगी में इजाफा करते हैं। ताहम वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी के दौर में हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तानी इश्तियाल अंगेजियों का जवाब देने के लिए पहले से ज्यादा सलाहियत रखता है। अमेरिकी इंटेलिजेंस की रिपोर्ट पर अमेरिकी स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट के तर्जुमान नेड प्राइस का कहना है कि कोई भी गिरोह जो इलाकाई और आलमी इस्तेहकाम को खतरे में डालता है, वो हमारे लिए तशवीश का बायस है।
Assessment report that was released today mentions Pakistan's long history of supporting anti-India terrorist groups. Now, the U.S. is having a counter-terrorism dialogue with Pakistan, and Mr. Christopher Lambert was there recently. So, will the U.S. take up the issue of support by the Pakistani Army and ISI to terrorist groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba, active in Kashmir, and to Khalistani terrorist groups?
So the U.S.-Pakistan counterterrorism dialogue, it provides an opportunity for the United States and Pakistan for the United States to convey our willingness to work with Pakistan to address terrorist threats and counter violent extremism. The threats that are in the region, the threats that have the potential to transcend the region as well. We have a shared interest in combating threats to regional security. The goal of a stable and secure South and Central Asia, free from terrorism, depends on the strength of, in large part, our partnership with Pakistan. The dialogue is a testament to our shared commitment to resilient security relationship and an opportunity for candid discussion on steps we can take together to counter all terrorist groups that threaten regional and global stability. The United States seeks to expand our partnership to address these challenges. Any group that threatens regional and global stability, of course, is a concern to us. It is something that we discuss in the context of this counterterrorism dialogue.
I have one more.
Okay, one more and then I'll go to you.
So while the issue of support by Pakistan of terror groups against India and its dangers are mentioned in the report, what are your views on some of these groups like Khalistani activists that are active in North America and which were responsible for the bombing of Air India in 1985? Is the U.S. keeping a watch on these activities of these groups?
So we condemn terrorism in all of its forms. We condemn terrorism, we condemn violent extremism, we condemn all of those who resort to violence to achieve their ends, whether they are political or otherwise. There is never a justification to resort to violence. Regardless of the motivation, regardless of the perpetrator, we take the threat of terrorism around the world, whether that's to regional people.
चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे।